Welcome to English Hospital, a channel that takes you from zero to pro in English. In this episode, we will be talking about plate number. Is it right to say plate number? Before we delve into the discussion, let's watch this video.
News. People have different reasons when it comes to customizing their plate numbers. Some, it's class, breeches. Different reasons when it comes to customizing their plate numbers. Some.
Just like the video you just watched, it's common for many Nigerians to describe the metal or plastic plates with a registration number mounted at the front and back of a car as a plate number. The source of this confusion is still a mystery to me. Let's analyze the expression. In plate number, plate is the noun and number is supposedly the adjective. But that doesn't sound plausible. Only adjectives describe nouns. Does it sound right to say president vice instead of vice presidents? Or president's departmental instead of departmental presidents? How about user road instead of road users? It's common knowledge that an adjective describes a noun. In this case, number is the adjective and plate is the noun. Since it is the plate that bears the number, not the other way around, the correct expression is number plate. A tank with water. Would you call it a tank water or a water tank? Of course, you say water tank because it is the water that describes the type of tank. Without water, it's become just an empty tank. Similarly, you do say man police or policeman. Naturally, it's policeman because police functions as the adjective describing the noun man. In conclusion, unlike some Nigerian expressions such as buka, bukateria, japa, agbero, cross carpets, area boy, and 419, which have now entered the English dictionary, plate number has not. Therefore, we should be mindful of using the correct term, number plates, especially in formal settings that require proper language usage. Thanks for watching. If you have found this helpful, please hit the like button and share it.